they tell me make I leave wetin they do for Germany, go stay with mama for village for 2 to 3 months before I come back to Germany.
Hello my people, I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also now they fine. Una do well, get as una tell help me to share, comment, like. I really appreciate una well. My people, now just listen to this video, wanna just listen. So I put all the video for now, wanna listen to everything will happen. My people, this video now, according to this woman, she there for Germany, okay? He mother-in-law nowhere. And the husband now, they try to tell her, say, make she can't go back to Naija. Go stay for 3 months because of, say, the mother-in-law, he needs help. And the worst part of it, then get this mother-in-law get 2 daughters for home. She there for abroad. She there for Germany for a year. She know they work, but she get children. So your husband can't tell her, say, okay, as far as say you know they work for now, his mother they sick, he get stroke. So nobody to help her. May his wife can't go home. May leave his children for a year. May go stay like 3 months to help his mother-in-law before he go come back. So this woman can't come out, can't tell us, say, she not feel go that kind message where her husband send her, because she they go like what they call it, they go school for a year, and she don't finish the school. Not be only that one, she get children. Who she want leave those children for? And that even the time where he say she dey for Naija, his mother-in-law not like her. He said they don't marry her for they marry her for Nigeria. So your husband ain't fair did this abroad. So even when he say your husband want try to carry on that time, his mother-in-law go they tell the husband say he never reach. Maybe if they lose the character. Whether not that kind of woman will go let you say, and I know say now all more than they do that kind of thing. Not be because of say this one. Oh, you go say whether maybe if you reach that side, you know go can't stay again, or you go can't leave you go carry another one. It depends on what the person needs, what you need for your life. So this woman, I made this woman come out and say she know they go that kind of message because his mother-in-law there for Naija. She there for this side. And she go leave your children, go sit down for Nigeria for good 3 months, without she not go see her children. And the waiting come make and talk, come and say, because this mother-in-law, he get other 2 children. Why he be say the 2 children where they for Naija, they not fit take care of their mother? Now wow. This kind of thing, now they destroy marriage. They destroy well, because the thing supposed to come out for the lady man say, okay, I want to go. As far as say now only just 3 months, make I go. But if this man come they push this woman now, come say you must go. If you not go, now this one, now that one, now my mama that they talk about. So this kind of thing feel lead to destroy of marriage, for real. Because I don't know why be say if this his husband no fit talk to his sisters, make them carry their mother put for house, or make them find somebody where be say he go they take care of their mother, then go they pay the money. Most people they do it like that, where be say they don't get even brother or sister for home. Now only maybe their parents na in their house. They go find somebody where go they help their parents, or when go even they stay there with their parents, so that that person go they help them. They do everything where they for inside house. So how many they pay, that person go they stay inside the house. I don't understand why be say this woman where it come be say she did this side now. Her husband want make she come out, leave his children where be say they small, they still be underage, and he now in the work. Who you want can leave the children for? We don't know. Because abroad where we did, so one must work. Even though say sometimes the 2 go they work safe. As far as say the 2 not they work, the woman they for house, they go language school. It gets more children where be say she go take care of. And this your husband no fit talk now, say make he tell his sisters there, make them go take care of their mother. May he still be now say those his sister with their mother, they be cataract. They not get, you understand? Say they happen, say where be say you with your daughters, your children, you not get that love way tight. You understand me? Where you don't they old now, this kind of thing can they affect to most of our parents. Where they say they use their the time when they're young, they use that to throw away their children. They not care. They feel say if they're old, those children go come meet them. Because otherwise, may I not see something where be say this woman, husband, will come say, may your wife from this side, may carry a load, may come go sit down for Nigeria for 3 months to take care of her mother. May I put a few video, may we watch her. I beg Mona help me share this video. May you leave your opinion. What do you think? If now you go do one, leave your children for here, go take care of your mother-in-law, where be say get 2 children. Or what do you think? Leave your opinion. God bless you. Let me to share this video. Please do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama backup page, or Untouchable Mama. Don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube Unto Mama na Mystic Getter. One love keep us together. We know they do saga, we they do our thing, what did they happen, we they bring our con. Okay, God bless you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. Bye bye for now.
Woman get 2 daughters for home, and my husband they tell me make I leave wetin they do for Germany, go stay with mama for village for 2 to 3 months before I come back to Germany. Who go if now beg if now una go green? If now una go greet for that kind of thing. When we say my mother-in-law get daughters from Nigeria, they not tell their daughters to go take care of their mama. Now me, my husband, they tell me, say make I go take care of my mama from Nigeria because I know they work. And they go language school. And if I just finished language school, I won't continue. My husband say, no, make I go take care of my mama for Africa before I come back and continue with my school. Maybe leave my children. Go take care of your mama for Africa. See, before I go even talk, guys, this is my mother-in-law. Only person will like me. My mother-in-law don't like me for anything as I follow and they talk, so she don't like me. My mother-in-law don't like me for anything. Make I explain to you now. Before I come this Germany, my husband don't first marry me. I don't stay for home for 6 to 7 years before my husband finally can carry me come. Me and my mother-in-law know they agree. Anything what I do, she know they happy. She know they date please for anything when I do. You get the first year we say, after I'm married, my husband won't carry me come. My mother-in-law say no. Make them still monitor me. Like, say me they know me well before he go carry me travel. Because of that, my husband no gree do visa for me to carry me come Germany. Then now, when my mother-in-law is sick, she gets stroke, you know, waka. Now they tell me, make I go home, go take care of her. I don't understand. Say what thing happen. Guys, I beg. I don't like to bring my family matter on social media. If now go agree, make I leave Germany, go village, go take care of go take care of my mother-in-law. Now if my husband talk with that. So for me, I said no. But as I see why I said no, I no go now. Now wahala dey. Mother don't they talk to me again. Mother don't agree eat my food again. Just because I say I no go take care of my mama for Africa. When I go leave Germany, people who dey Nigeria never go take care of their mother. Now me where dey Germany go can't leave wait till they do or leave my children to go take care of their mama. So guys, if you don't watch and reach here, don't be my story, okay? Now somebody say make I help and share this story. So according to the person, when she dey Nigeria, her mother-in-law really maltreat her. Their first year of marriage, the man won't carry his wife enter. The mama no agree. Say make them still know the girl where before he travel, because then they hear say if they carry woman go do Igbo, woman they leave them go, you know, like that. So she said after 2nd years of her marriage, her mother-in-law and the man younger brother, he get land where they buy keep for their brother, which is the woman husband. The land, as the man come reach home, the man find out say they cheat am. They put 500,000 naira extra on top the money where they say they buy the land. So for that reason, the man now carry the man they send money now to his wife, say make his wife do the house for him. The man arrange engineer everything. Then he can't give his wife money to take give engineer. You know, they think no come please the mother and the brother. They can't begin hate him for no reason. They can't begin hate him because say their brother they give her money, they give the wife money to go build the house. So then the family they won't say they won't do the thing by themselves, but the man, and since because of that thing where they do, they put 500,000 naira extra for the money where they take, for the price where they take buy the land for their brother. Their brother no come trust them again. He can't begin giving wife money, making wife they pay people where they work. So now the wife now build the house for the husband. So for that reason, the family no come like the wife. And now that's what they do. They don't want to make the man even bring the wife come Germany. If not because of say the man love the woman, said the woman for not even reach Germany. Just reach Germany 3 years ago. Now her mother-in-law is sick, and this her mother-in-law get 2 daughters for home, and he still get 2 sons. You say they don't marry, they no call them, say they go stay with their mother-in-law. Now this one where they Germany now his husband they tell and say make you go take care of your mama where they sick for home. So I beg, guys, she discussed the thing with me yesterday. So make I help and share. I say if now una go agree, make she go home, go stay for 2 or 3 months, take care of the mother-in-law where they sick before she come back to Germany. So for me, I not tell her. I tell her, say no, she no make that kind of mistake. Your mother-in-law no first like you. Your husband family no first like you. Finally, your husband don't mind they can't carry you enter. Now, now your mother-in-law is sick. They say, may you go back home. May you go take care of your mother-in-law. I beg, not do that mistake. So please, when I hear me advise her on what to do, because she don't know what she will do because her husband know they eat her food again. The man know they eat her food. The man know they greet her. They know they greet each other. So anybody will first go bed. If now the woman first go bed, the man go sleep for palo. If now the man first go bed, the woman go sleep for palo. That is, the man don't want me to day together, like me they sleep together. Because in the best say, in wife no agree go Nigeria, go take care of mama. So I beg my brothers and sisters, when I hear me advise them. If now una go agree, make person leave Germany, go take care of his mother-in-law where they sick. Meanwhile, the woman get 2 children for home. Now the matter get as it be. If na me said, yeah, if you put you do for myself, I no go go.